why the VA loan is the most underrated wealth tool in real estate. If you're a military or a veteran, you have access to what might be the most powerful wealth building tool in real estate. And most people completely waste it. They use it to buy a house. Smart buyers use it to build a portfolio. See, here's the problem. The VA loan is usually explained as a benefit. No money down, no PMI, and great rates. And that's usually where the conversation stops. But that's not what makes it powerful. What makes the VA loan powerful is leverage. You can control a $400, a $500, even a $700,000 asset with little to no money out of pocket. In any other investing space, that kind of leverage is really hard to access. And here in Hampton Roads, where demand stays strong because of the military, the shipyard, the coastal lifestyle, that leverage becomes even more important. So let's break this down simply. Most buyers think like this: I just want a house I can afford. But investors think differently. How do I control an asset that grows over time? See, with the VA loan, you're not draining your savings just to get into the deal. You're preserving capital while still owning the asset. And because there's no PMI, your monthly payment is often way more efficient, which matters later if you ever turn that home into a rental. Then over time, two things start working in your favor. The market moves and your loan balance goes down. The gap between those two, that's where your wealth is built. So the real question is not, should I use my VA loan? It's, am I using it strategically or just conveniently? Because the top 10% of VA buyers are not just buying homes. They're thinking ahead. Will this home rent later? Is this area going to stay in demand? Is this my forever home or my first asset? In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first home using a VA loan in a way that sets you up long term. Because your first VA loan should not be your last move. It should be your first asset. Follow along if you want to learn how to use your VA loan like a strategy, not just a benefit.